What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Brothers Workshop. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of a video microphone. Basically, as you can hear right now, the audio is terrible. But I wanted you to understand the difference between the audio that a camera picks up and the audio that a microphone would pick up. So I went out and got a Rode mic. These are top of the line. If you're a videographer, you already know. But this is sold at Best Buy, so I was thinking to myself, are they selling the best ones or not? So we figured we'd give it a shot. It's a good price point. So normally in our videos, I am mic'd up, and it's in the form of a lavalier mic. It's usually on my collar here, and then we'll run it to a small audio recorder, and in post-production, we'll edit the video and the audio together. This is great for staged events, planned events, but if you're running and gunning, having a microphone connected to the hot shoe is one of the best options. And if you're going to do that, you might as well go with the Rode. As any good videographer would say, the Rode's the best. They're top of the line. This we found at Best Buy for $60, and we wanted to give it a test here. So. All right, there it is. Pretty simple. Packaging's not too crazy, but it comes with your wind protector already on it, so that's good. This connects to the hot shoe, and obviously you'll need this to connect the microphone to your camera. And then you can always register the product. So, just in case you've never used a microphone before, it comes with instructions on how it goes together and basically how it's used. And really, it's just as simple as sliding this on. And then plugging this in real quick. So there you have it. Very, very simple to put it together. It's only the size of my fist, and it's very lightweight. So it's really not going to be noticeable whenever we're running and gunning and using it in the field. Let's get it on there and let you hear the difference. So the new microphone is now on, and you could probably already tell a world of difference within the audio quality, and this is why we chose to go with the microphone that we did. The whole using a lavalier mic and editing and post-production just becomes a daunting task after a while, and as much as that is the professional way to do it, it's also one of the most lengthy ways to do it. This microphone right here will enable you to record audio at a higher quality and cut your workflow in half. Hey, thanks for checking the video out, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're going to have a ton of content coming out soon. Between the kitchen renovation and the work we're doing on the 66 Chevy, we're going to be getting some videos out your way. Also, give us a like. We always appreciate that. You can follow us on Instagram as well.